The SHELTR Wallet and Staking with Ghost by John McAfee represent two significant elements in the cryptocurrency world, though they may be less mainstream compared to some of the larger projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Let's break them down to give you a clearer understanding of what they are, how they might work together, and what security considerations you should keep in mind when using them. 1. SHELTR Wallet. The SHELTR Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet designed with a focus on security and privacy. Given that cryptocurrency wallets are the primary means of holding, sending, and receiving digital assets, security is crucial, and SHELTR aims to provide an enhanced level of protection for users. Key features of SHELTR Wallet based on typical features of security-focused wallets. Multi-signature security, SHELTR. Implement multi-signature, multi-sig security, which requires more than one private key to authorize a transaction. This adds a layer of security compared to single-key wallets. Cold storage capabilities, SHELTR. Wallet offer cold storage options, which keep private keys offline and reduce the risk of hacks or theft. Backup and recovery. Like many secure wallets, SHELTR include robust backup options, recovery phrases, encrypted backups, to help users recover their funds if they lose access to their wallet. Decentralized control. The wallet emphasizes decentralized control, meaning users maintain full control over their private keys and therefore their crypto assets, unlike centralized exchanges where you trust a third party. Security focus. The main selling point of SHELTR Wallet is its robust security features. With cryptocurrency thefts and hacks being a common threat in the space, wallets like SHELTR that emphasize security features are highly attractive to crypto users who prioritize protecting their assets. 2. Staking with Ghost by John McAfee. Ghostcoin, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that was launched by John McAfee, the well-known entrepreneur, cybersecurity expert, and crypto advocate. The Ghost project aimed to provide a truly anonymous and private means of transacting with cryptocurrencies. Key features of Ghostcoin. Privacy. Ghost is built to enhance privacy and anonymity using advanced cryptographic techniques. It utilizes features like zero-knowledge proofs or other privacy protocols to keep transactions completely private, protecting users' identities. Proof of stake, POS. Ghost uses a proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanism, which is a more energy-efficient alternative to proof of work, POW, like Bitcoin. In POS, users can participate in the network's validation process by staking their Ghost tokens. When users stake their Ghost, they lock up their tokens in the network to help secure it and validate transactions, earning rewards in the form of additional Ghost tokens over time. Staking with Ghost. When it comes to staking Ghost, you would typically 1. Acquire Ghost tokens. To participate in staking, you need to own Ghost tokens. These can be purchased through various cryptocurrency exchanges. 2. Choose a staking platform. You would need to choose a platform or wallet that supports staking Ghost. SHELTR Wallet offers staking for Ghost as part of its service. 3. Locking your Ghost tokens. Once you've set up staking, you lock your tokens into the network for a certain period. During this time, your tokens will help secure the network and validate transactions. 4. Earn rewards. In exchange for staking, you'll receive staking rewards, paid out in additional Ghost tokens. These rewards are a form of passive income. Security and staking. When staking with Ghost, security is even more important, as your tokens are locked up in the staking process for a period of time. If you're using SHELTR Wallet for this, you can benefit from its private key control and cold storage features to secure your staked tokens. 3. How SHELTR Wallet and staking with Ghost could work together. If you're looking to stake Ghost, it's crucial that you store your Ghost tokens in a wallet that offers strong security features. A wallet like SHELTR is an ideal candidate, as it provides the following benefits. Secure storing of Ghost tokens. You can store your Ghost tokens securely in SHELTR, which protect your private keys and ensure that no unauthorized party can access your funds. Staking integration. SHELTR supports staking, and you can stake your Ghost tokens directly from the wallet, earning rewards while maintaining full control over your assets. Cold storage for staked tokens. If you're staking long-term, SHELTR's cold storage options will keep your tokens secure while they're staked. This would reduce exposure to online attacks. 4. Security considerations. While SHELTR Wallet and Ghost staking offer strong security features, there are always risks involved when it comes to cryptocurrency. Here are some tips to keep your Ghost staking and SHELTR Wallet as secure as possible. Use hardware wallets for storing staked Ghost tokens. If you're serious about securing your assets, you might want to use a hardware wallet for cold storage of your staked Ghost tokens. SHELTR support this, allowing you to integrate a hardware wallet for even greater protection. Enable 2FA. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your wallet, exchanges, and any platforms you use for staking. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Watch out for scams. As with all cryptocurrency projects, be wary of phishing attacks and scams. Always verify that you're interacting with the official SHELTR Wallet and Ghost staking platforms. Back up your recovery phrase. Ensure you back up your wallet's recovery phrase in multiple secure locations. Losing your recovery phrase could mean losing access to your funds permanently. 5. Potential issues with Ghost and SHELTR. While the idea of a privacy-focused wallet, SHELTR, and a privacy coin, Ghost, is appealing, there are a few things to consider. Regulatory scrutiny. Since Ghost aims for privacy and anonymity, it may face regulatory scrutiny in certain jurisdictions. Keep up to date on any regulatory changes regarding privacy coins in your country. Project longevity. Given that John McAfee is no longer involved in the project, as he passed away in 2021, the future of Ghost and its development could be uncertain. Always consider whether the project has a strong development team behind it, and if it's likely to continue to evolve. Staking risks. Staking always carries some risk as you are locking your assets into the network. Make sure you understand the staking terms, lockup periods, and any potential penalties for early withdrawal. Summary. In summary, the SHELTR Wallet offers a secure, private way to store and manage your cryptocurrency, while staking with Ghost provides a means of earning passive income by helping secure the Ghost network. SHELTR Wallet supports staking for Ghost. Offer a convenient, secure platform for both holding and staking your Ghost tokens. However, always make sure you understand the risks involved with staking and the potential security implications of any cryptocurrency project, especially those focused on privacy. By combining SHELTR Wallet's security features with Ghost's privacy and staking rewards, you can create a secure environment for your cryptocurrency investments while actively participating in the Ghost ecosystem.